Hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are visiting here for the first time, hi, it is so nice to have you here. I post nail art and nail polish reviews videos regularly on my channel. So if you are interested in watching nail art videos and learning new tips and tricks and also watching the reviews of affordable nail polishes, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. And also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. In today's nail art video, I am going to be sharing a very easy abstract nail art design. Now, when it comes to an abstract nail art design, or for that matter any kind of abstract artwork, there are no rules and there is no right and no wrong. So go wild with your imagination, just follow the instructions given further in this video and try and create your own sort of design using this only as an inspiration. I'm sure your designs or your nail art work would be even more creative and better than me. So what are we waiting for? Let's quickly get started. Let me first introduce you with the nail art supplies that I'm going to be using for this nail design. I'll be using two Miniso nail polishes in black and grey color. They are pretty standard nail polishes. You can choose any black or grey color which you already have in your collection. It doesn't have to be specifically from the Miniso Pichura collection. And then I will be using this Revlon nail polish which I really love. It's a beautiful dark purple color for this nail design. I'm also going to be using a plastic sheet. I have already painted my nails in this beautiful neon yellow base. I have reviewed this nail polish already in my recent videos, so if you're interested in knowing the details of this nail polish, you can go ahead and check that video out. I'll link that in the description box for you. So now after I have painted my base in this neon yellow nail polish, I let them dry completely and then I am using this plastic sheet and I poured a drop of purple nail polish. And I'm using this tiny nail art brush to create my design. So if you don't have this kind of nail art brush, then you can use any kind of nail art brush that you already have. It can be any artwork brush and you can cut off a few bristles to make it slimmer and then you can use it for your nail artwork. I have done it quite a lot, so you don't need to worry, just reuse whatever you have in your supplies right now. So what I'm doing here is I am picking up a little polish over my nail art brush and I am making a sort of random pattern. Now what you need to remember with the abstract design is that it should look absolutely natural and it should not follow a particular pattern or set design. So that's why I have created this purple pattern at various random places on each of the nails. So as you can see, I have created the purple pattern at right corner of one nail, then the left bottom corner of the another nail. Basically the idea is to not make the same patterns, same shapes and patterns at the same place on every nail. And also you don't need a steady hand, rather I'd say if you have a shaky hand, it is even better with the abstract design. So just go with the flow and create whatever comes to your mind. So now the next thing I'm doing is I'm picking little gray polish in the same way and now I am creating another layer just above the purple layer that I just created, and I am going wild with my imagination here and I am just creating some sort of patterns. Even I don't know, I don't have a plan right now. I'm just going here and there and trying to create kind of wavy design which just overlaps a little bit over my purple pattern as well, as you can see. So just follow your imagination when you start creating this design. The only two things that you need to take care is one, that you need to have a lighter base. You can switch up the colors of the base. If you don't like neon yellow, go for a neon pink, and over neon pink you can use purple, gray and white nail polish, or you can even go with the combination of black, white and purple, or black, white and grey nail polishes as well. If you don't like pink neon base, you can go for orange neon base. As it is summers, orange base would look even more stunning. So with orange base you can use, I think, white, black and grey, all three together to create this sort of design. So you can use whatever colors you like or whatever colors you have in your collection. You don't exactly have to use the same colors that I'm using here. And just keep wiping off your brush with the little nail polish remover, just to have a clean brush for the next color when we start. So after I have done the purple and grey patterns, now I am going to start creating the patterns using the black nail polish. I could have skipped using the third nail polish pattern, but I thought, why not just give it an outline sort of thing, and it will complete the design as I imagined. So I am just going and making a very thin kind of wavy design using the black color now, just to give it a complete look. And again, I am not following any specific pattern, just going here and there, covering a few bits of the grey polish as well, so it does not look as a planned design or well thought of design, I should say. So I really want to see how you go wild with your imagination and create this sort of design with your choice of colors. So do try this design and let me know in the comment section if you do like me sharing these kinds of designs on my channel. I'd be more than happy to make more similar videos, because I'm all about abstract nail art design. Whenever I start creating my designs, I mostly 90% of the time I don't have a plan in my head. I just go wild and start creating with whatever comes to my mind basically. So I really hope you're enjoying watching this video. I am quite pleased with how this turned out. The yellow base is looking so stunning with the contrasting colors on top of it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section about this design. Also, I'd like to mention that I do have an Insta account as well, where I post every single day. So you should go and check out my Instagram account. It has the same handle, Sharing My Mojo, and I'd love to have you there as well in my nail art family. As a final step, as always, we apply a beautiful thick coat of top coat to protect our manicure and make it look shiny and glossy. Although this design, I think, would look great with a matte top coat as well. I don't know, I didn't try. Maybe you can create one and try it with a matte top coat as well, and let me know how it goes. Anyway, I'm super pleased with this fun little summery design, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are inspired with this little abstract nail art design, and you will give it a try. That's it for today, I think, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to like this video before you leave, and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel by hitting that red button and click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Also, do comment down below if you have any specific request on any of the nail art designs which you would like to see on my YouTube channel, or you would like to see a DIY manicure at home as well. I'd love to make such kind of videos for you guys. Alright then, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay happy inside your homes. Bye! Are you still there? If yes, then I'll request you to click on these boxes and check out my other easy DIY nail art designs. They are all so much fun and you can easily create them in the comfort of your home. You don't need to visit any salon for these beautiful DIY nail art designs. So go check them out. And now it's a final bye. See you in my next video.